By the end of the video, you will know about how to drink pre-workout supplements. Pre-workout supplements can enhance your exercise performance by providing energy, focus, and endurance. Here's how to effectively consume pre-workout for optimal results. How to drink pre-workout. Read the label. Understand ingredients. Check the label for ingredients and their effects to ensure they align with your fitness goals. Timing is key. 30 to 45 minutes before. Consume pre-workout about 30 to 45 minutes before your workout for peak effectiveness. Mix properly. Follow instructions. Mix the recommended serving size with water or a beverage of your choice according to the product instructions. Stay hydrated. Drink water. Hydrate adequately throughout the day, and especially after taking pre-workout, to support hydration and performance. Avoid overconsumption. Follow guidelines. Stick to the recommended dosage to avoid potential side effects, such as jitters or an upset stomach. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Additional tips. Know your tolerance. Start with a half serving to assess your tolerance, especially if you're new to pre-workout supplements. Cycle off periodically. Take breaks from using pre-workout to prevent dependence and maintain sensitivity to its effects. Combine with nutrition. Pair pre-workout with a balanced meal or snack containing carbohydrates and protein for sustained energy. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Incorporating these tips into your pre-workout routine will help you maximize the benefits and support your fitness goals effectively. Adjust the timing and dosage based on your workout intensity and personal preferences. 3.5